in order for you to find oddities in Where Winds Meet, all you need to do is simply glance at the mini-map that you see in the top right corner of your screen. And as you can see in my mini-map, you can see a flying oddity icon right there. So all I need to do is simply go ahead and go following that icon until I see the oddity that's currently near. When you find the oddity near you, all you need to do is simply just use wind sense to see if you can find that specific oddity. So you can see here, I have this noise icon right here showing that the oddity is underneath the boxes. So now all I need to do is simply attack or use mighty drop on these specific boxes. And then once you've done that, you should be able to see your oddity. So go ahead and grab it. And once you've grabbed it, you'll have successfully captured an oddity in Where Winds Meet. So that's how you find oddities. Just go exploring. When you see the oddities icon, which is in the shape of a half butterfly or a half bird flying, just follow that icon until you find the specific oddity that you're looking for. And once you found it, you should be able to easily capture the oddity. Now, different oddities have different methods of capturing. Sometimes it needs you killing the purple butterflies near the enchanting lotus, or even doing a triple jump over red mushrooms so that you can be able to capture the oddity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.